5 ways to increase your income even while you are in a job. Hello and welcome to one more video, one more episode. My name is Dev Gadhvi. If you're learning about these things, if you're following my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel because I keep sharing these videos to help you to improve your finances, your business, your sales, finding your passion, and a lot of those things. So make sure you do not miss any of the videos. Hit the bell icon for the reminder as well. So what are the 5 ways? Number 1, get another job. What do you mean? Isn't this simple, Dave? Yes, it is simple. So how do you get another job? Most of the people, they make a mistake in a job that they stick to the same company for a very long time, like I used to do at the beginning. Your market value will remain low if you're just looking to grow internally. For many people, now I know a lot of people do not like this advice, they don't want to change a lot of companies, but take some risk, change jobs. And when you change the jobs, you can renegotiate your package of 40, 50, 60%, 70%, 100% hikes as well, like how I've done it. You can do that as well. Look for a better job and negotiate every 1 or 2 years. Explore every 1 year, say, hey, what is my market value? Hey, what is my market value? That's what you can do, right? If you want, you can also look for second job parallelly, maybe a part-time, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. Like, some of the people who joined my company, they're already doing work in one company and they started with this company as well in part-time basis, and then they became full-time. So that is the number 1, which is obvious, but I want to remind you, there's a world out there who can pay you more if you're better in what you're doing. Number 2, take more responsibilities within the company. So if you are an entrepreneur, if you're an employee, you're managing one project. That means you have an impact in the business in one aspect. How about you take second project, third project? Learn leadership and learn how to delegate and get the work done. Do not just keep trading time for money and you keep doing things yourself. Find a way where you can have the team, nurture the team, build the team, leverage the team so that you can just manage it. And as you grow higher in managing the team, becoming a leader, guess what? Your income is going to grow faster. You see, employer is not the one who decides what is your worth. It is you who has to decide what is your worth. And the only way employer or marketplace will pay you more is when you take more on your plate, do more impact, get them more results. And that is when you can do more impact, take more on your plate, you can make more money. Now this also is simple, right? So go ahead and do that, become the best version of yourself and do more, build the leadership skills and make a big impact in their business so that you can grow. Number 3, and this is my favorite. This is when you become a freelancer. What do you mean? How do you become freelancer? You have your skill. Let's say I was in sales skill, right? I was having sales. I can take the same skills and I can use that skills to add value to somebody else, startups, individuals, businesses, and start parallelly making some money part-time or on the weekend. It's the easiest way to make a lot of money. I did the same thing when I was in a job. I was in sales and I started closing for people, high ticket closing, and I started making a little bit of money. I wasn't that successful because I needed a little more time to polish my skills, but guess what? I started making a little bit of money parallelly. So that's number 3. Number 4, start investing. You see, investment in stocks, bonds, property, crypto. If you can do this parallelly while you're in a job, take the money from job, learn how to invest it, and then you can multiply. So many of my mentors, so many of my mentees, they're actually the coaches and mentors who teach people how to invest into intraday, how to invest in stocks, properties, so many of them. Like Ram Babu is there who helps people investing in plots. Some of my mentees, Sashikant or Vijay, they're helping people to invest into stocks, right? There's so many people. Now, if you want my help, if you want me to connect you with my team, please leave a comment below and and share your details below. We will connect you with my team who can help you to learn more things. Okay, so that's number 4, that you can learn investing and also start multiplying your money as well. Number 5, learn digital marketing. You see, there are so many skills you can learn: copywriting, closing, right? Marketing. but digital marketing specifically is very high in demand. Within digital marketing, if you're learning how to create, so many things you can learn, right? Graphic designing you can learn, funnel building you can learn, running the ads you can learn, so many things. Organic content creation you can learn, so many, copywriting, so many things you can learn in digital marketing. So if you learn these skills, your valuation in marketplace is going to go up, and you can even completely switch off your job if your money from your side hustle, this thing is going high. Now these are just the high level things that I can share with you in a very short time. If you're really serious, if you're really committed, if you want to know how you can make more money while you're in a job, or how do you quit your job and start your business and build your business, I have a good news. I've been doing this for last 5 years, training thousands of people on how to find a passion and convert that into a business, even when you're in a job. If you're already a beginner, if you're already an entrepreneur, that can also help you to take the business to the next level. There is a 7-step process which you can learn and implement. I went from being zero to building a 50 crore company, became a TEDx speaker, best-selling author twice. I became India's first Passionpreneur mentor with only one mission, is to transform your life, transform 1 billion lives. So check out the link below or leave the comment below if you want to learn how to start building the business around passion and join the Crorepati Club. Like hundreds of my mentees are growing next level, doubling their income, becoming coaches, becoming trainer, TEDx speakers, authors. So many of them have become Crorepati as well. You want to join the league? Click the link, follow the process. I'll see you soon.